Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to connect PayPal to Apple Pay. So let's start. So first we have to go to settings, and it's necessary to know that if you want to add your PayPal account to your Apple Pay, you have to have the card from PayPal, and if you want to request it, you can go to the official page of PayPal. So let's go to settings and then just scroll down and let's go to the part that says wallet and Apple Pay. If you want to add a card, in this case is PayPal card, just go to add card and then you can select debit or credit card if you prefer. Let's go to the debit card and then you can press continue. And you can add here your card. If you don't have the card in physical, you can add the card details manually, and then you add here everything that you prefer for your card. So that is how we can add a card, but remember that you have to have the PayPal card if you want to add it to your Apple Pay. So only add information that it's requested to do it, and then you can start adding it. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.